Hey you guys, Mr. Wagner here. Welcome to week 1 of distance learning. And I want to go over how I want this assignment to happen. So follow along with me at home. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to go to your Google Classroom and you're going to see that there are 2 assignments as part of this link. And the first one is the News ELA, and it talks about a article that we're going to read together here in a second. And then next is the quiz. So you can have both of those open on your computer with separate windows. And let's go ahead and click onto the News ELA article first. And we're going to read that together. Make sure that when you get here that you are on 420. So make sure that when you go to your Lexile level up here, it's 420. Now, I'm going to read and just follow along as we go. The title of the article is Building Your Plate, Comparing the Newest Symbols of Healthy Eating. It can be hard to eat healthy. There are a lot of rules to remember. To help people eat healthy, the US government came up with a chart. It was called My Plate. My Plate looks like a dinner plate. It's split into pieces. Each piece stands for one of 5 food groups. The bigger the piece, the more you should eat. Not everybody liked My Plate. A team of scientists thought they could do better, so they made the Healthy Eating Plate. The 2 plates look alike. There are a few differences, though. The scientists said their plate was based on the best science. It also has much more information. Grains and proteins. There are 2 kinds of grains. The first is refined grain. Refined grains are not the healthiest kind. White bread and white rice are both refined. Your body thinks of these foods as sugar. It burns right through them. Whole grains are healthier. Whole wheat bread and brown rice are whole grains. Your body also needs protein. Many foods are high in protein. Not all of them are good for you, though. Fish, chicken, and turkey are good choices. So are beans and nuts. These foods are all full of healthy protein. Other proteins are not so good. Fast food, hot dogs, pork, and beef are all less healthy meats. They do have protein, but they also have a lot of saturated fat. This is the unhealthy kind of fat. It can damage your health over time. Unsaturated fats. Eating foods like hot dogs is not bad. It's okay to do every now and then. It would be unhealthy if you ate them every day. Not all fats are bad. In fact, your body needs fats. Healthy fats are called unsaturated fats. Olive oil and canola oil are healthy fats. Fish also has plenty of healthy fats. My Plate says you should have milk at every meal. The scientists behind the Healthy Eating Plate are not so sure. They do not think that you need that much milk. They say water is a better choice. Staying healthy is about more than what's on your plate. Exercise is just as important. Remember to stay active. Now, let's go to the quiz, and you can open the quiz and I'll read the questions out loud. You choose the answers. 1. Which of the following is not a food group recognized by My Plate? Grains, proteins, sweets and sugars, vegetables. 2. Who created the healthy eating plates? Michelle Obama, scientists from Harvard, the government, students. 3. What is an example of a healthy whole grain? Brown rice, Cap'n Crunch, white bread, donut. 4. What is an example of a healthy fat? Bacon, carrot, olive oil, red meat. Last question. What types of fats are healthy? Saturated, unsaturated. When you're done, go ahead and submit this to me and have an awesome week. And I will see you next week for next week's lesson. If you have any questions, don't hesitate contacting me through Google Classroom or my email, my school email. Thanks. See you guys next week.